This video is part of my playlist for the Paradise Island resort of Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa in the Maldives. I've done this separate video on the restaurant and food to make things easier for anyone thinking about travelling to this island. You can check out my ultimate review guide of this resort, where I show you around the island and give you lots of information to help you have a great holiday on this channel, and I'll attach a link to that video at the end of this video and in the description below. If you're interested in a particular meal offering at the resort, the timestamps are on the screen now, and thanks for watching. When you get to the hotel and check in, you are given a designated table for the duration of your stay. So breakfast, lunch and dinner, you do have a designated table, and my wife and myself are fortunate enough to have one of the tables, the middle table, on the outside decking there. So let me show you what the restaurant is like. So let me show you first what is on offer for breakfast. As you come into the restaurant, on the left hand side there's local dishes such as curries. I'll show you every one because it'll take too long. Salad and fish curry. Around here you have various pickles for breakfast, oatmeal and porridge, and it's normally soups here in the evening. This corner is always that local cuisine for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So move across, a selection of juices. Over here we have various cereals. Choices of milk. Also non-dairy cereal. Middle section, that's what I always regard as Western food, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you've got scrambled eggs for breakfast. All of these are replenished very regularly. So if any of them do seem a little bit low, then they will be replenished. See how hot this is with the steamed sausage. In this corner you have crepes and pancakes, waffles. Thank you. And over in the corner here is an egg station for omelettes and such like. Eggs Benedict. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Thank you. Over here we have cold roux, various salads, the meats, cold meats for breakfast, cheeses, which is very similar for lunch and dinner, this area. In the corner, the other corner directly opposite, Again, this is very similar for breakfast, lunch and dinner, where you've got various yogurts and fresh fruits, various jams and things. Yeah, so fairly good choice for breakfast. So that's breakfast. That's Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa. Right, let's show you what the lunch offering is like, a typical lunch offering. So today, hello, good afternoon. Move on to salads. In the middle area today for lunch, steamed long going right. The restaurant team are happy to try and accommodate any requests you have for specific food. Almost a different type of potato for every meal. So we have been really impressed with the food so far. It's been really, really good every single day. Different types of bread again, like for breakfast. Again, the Sri Lankan stroke Maldivian corner. So this is where the oats and the porridge was this morning. For lunch today, seafood laksa soup and cream spinach soup. Various condiments as well, roshi, breads, and various curries, chicken gizzard curry. I've had that one night, it was really nice. Fish curry. And then at the end, over there was where the waffles and the crepes and pancakes were for breakfast. This becomes the sort of Chinese and Thai type area. Stir-fried vegetables. again, this is a pasta bar. Same pasta bar for lunch and dinner. Whatever ingredients you want with that. So that's an example of the lunch menu. And as you can see during the day, the view from the restaurant is amazing. I'll take you in and show you what an example of the dinner menu is. Two best chefs in the world, we're both working now. Hello. Really lovely ladies. Do everything they can to make your meal nice. So over here's corner again is the Sri Lankan and Maldivian dishes. Give you some examples of what's on offer here. It's nice, seafood devilled. Dal curry. Washi served every lunch and dinner. And soup tonight is New England clam chowder. Vegetable minestrone. On the far side is always the Chinese section. That's Chinese lunch and dinner. So see what we got for this evening. Vegetable chop suey. These are always refreshed as soon as they're empty. And again, as per lunchtime, this is the pasta station. Hello. Choose what pasta you want. Yeah. And it's made to order. The middle section is more of your Western. That over there is your made to order salads.
But no olive, no ananas, no.
You make up whatever salad you want. In the middle, there's always a different selection of potatoes every night. And all of these terrines are always replenished as soon as they're getting low, so you'll never go without anything. And always a selection of vegetables every lunchtime and evening as well. That's where your plates are kept. Selection of breads over that side as per lunchtime. Dish there, and over again in the far corner where you saw the frozen yogurts and different desserts for lunchtime, very similar to the evening. And in the far corner is your ready-made salads and cheeses, which again is similar to lunchtime, slight variation in the evening. So that's dinner. So I've showed you breakfast, lunch and dinner in the main buffet restaurant. So it is a similar serving at the private island, just on a smaller scale. Please do check out my full review of the island though to go with this video, as that will give you a really good indication of the quality of the food for all 3 meals during the day. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please do give the video a thumbs up like if you have, and please do consider subscribing to the channel, as that will really help my channel to grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers.